Hi kids, I'm Monalisha Tyagi. Welcome to my channel Learning is Fun, and in today's video I'll be telling you how to make a model of lungs with these materials. These materials are easily available in the market. These are inexpensive material which you may also find at your home. Lungs are the part of our respiratory system and very important internal organ. It is situated in our rib cage and weight almost 1.3 kg. Hope you have liked this video. I have an interesting fact to share with you all. Do you know our right lung is slightly bigger than our left lung? Why? Because the left lung shares its little bit of space with the heart. Science is so cool. Human body is so amazing. Thanks for watching.